Hello everyone, this is Peggy. Today we're taking you to top 5 Taiwan's MRT station with unique public art. Taipei MRT is something essential for people living in Taipei. And besides the unique public art in some stations, each line has its own music to play when the train approaches the platform. Number 1. Jiantan Station. Ta-da! Number 1. Jiantan Station. Jiantan Station was reviewed as one of the top 10 coolest train stations worldwide by the American website Thrillist. With the dragon boat design combining modern minimalism, this unique design can be easily recognized. And it is the most eye-catching station in Taipei City. No matter during the daytime or nighttime, pedestrians and drivers can immediately tell that they're in Shihlin when they see the dragon boat design. Because of its prosperity, as well as the popular night market right beside the train station, it makes Jiantan a hot MRT spot among tourists and the locals. Here around Jiantan Station, people who want to go hiking in Yangmingshan would come here to take buses. You can also go bowling or visit the Taipei Performing Arts Center for all kinds of exhibitions and performances. During the nighttime, you can visit the popular Shihlin Night Market for all kinds of delicious local food, from ji-pie to stinky tofu. Do you know that besides the dragon boat design, there used to be a Shezi bridge crossing the east and the west of the Keelung River? It later got demolished due to the land development. When Jiantan Station was designed in 1977, the drawbridge style was one of the references. The design of the station combines history and a new era, where you can see the traditional dragon boat, while the station itself does not contain beams nor columns. And this is why the station won the Architecture Prize. Taipei MRT is one of the most convenient public transportation for people living here and tourists. A lot of tourists are surprised at how convenient and clean Taipei MRT is. So the next time you come here, don't forget to slow down your step and enjoy all these beautiful public art.